Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ijin Senpoi, and today we have something really exciting to unbox: the brand new Mac Mini with the M2 chip, 16GB of RAM, and a 512GB SSD. This little powerhouse is packed with features, and I can't wait to dive in and show you what's inside. So, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so here's the box. First, let's take a look at the packaging. Apple always does a great job with their clean and minimalistic design, just like most Apple packaging. On the front, we have an image of the Mac Mini, and on the sides, there's just some branding and specs. Let's break the seal and open this up. Always love that first cut. It's like opening a treasure chest. Opening the box, we're greeted with the Mac Mini itself. It's always satisfying to see how neatly everything is packed. Here it is, the Mac Mini, sitting right on top. Let's take it out and set it aside for a moment. Now let's take a closer look at the Mac Mini itself. It's got that classic aluminum design, and it's incredibly compact. The design is the same sleek, compact form factor that we know and love. It's amazing how much power Apple can pack into such a small device. On the back, we have the power button, the power port, Ethernet, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI, 2 USB ports, and a headphone jack. Pretty impressive for such a small device. It's great to see a variety of connectivity options. Let's see what's inside the box. We have the usual paperwork, including a quick start guide and Big Apple stickers. And of course, we have the power cable. No surprises here, but it's always good to have a look. Now that we have everything out of the box. Alright, let's get this set up. Connecting it is super simple. Just plug in the power cable, connect it to a monitor using the HDMI or USB Type-C port, and connect your peripherals. I'll be using a wired keyboard and Apple trackpad for this setup. Once everything is connected, just press the power button and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. It's quick and easy, and you'll be up and running in no time. Powering it on for the first time, you'll be guided through the usual Mako setup process. Choose your language, connect to Wi-Fi, sign in with your Apple ID, and you're good to go. Alright, we're all set up. Let's take a quick look at the performance. I'm going to open a few applications and run some tests to see how the Mac Mini handles them. As you can see, everything runs smoothly and quickly. The M2 chip really makes a difference in performance, especially with more demanding applications. Now let's talk about the specs. This model comes with the new M2 chip, which promises even better performance and efficiency compared to the previous M1 chip. With 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of SSD storage, this Mac Mini is geared towards handling intensive tasks like video editing, graphic design, and more. The M2 chip features an 8-core CPU and a 10-core GPU, providing plenty of power for multitasking and running demanding applications. Plus, with the unified memory architecture, the CPU, GPU, and other processors can access the same data without needing to copy it between multiple memory pools. Overall, I'm really impressed with the new Mac Mini. The combination of the M2 chip, 16 GB of RAM, and 512 GB SSD makes this a powerful and versatile machine. Whether you're into video editing, graphic design, or just need a reliable computer for everyday tasks, the Mac Mini is a fantastic choice. That's it for today's unboxing and first look at the Mac Mini with the M2 chip. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and unboxings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.